Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you one of the most beloved fruit juice recipes in America. This juice is not only quick and easy to make, but it's also incredibly fresh and packed with real, vibrant flavors that will brighten up your day. We're talking about a juice that's perfect for any occasion, whether you're looking for a refreshing start to your morning, a midday pick-me-up, or a delicious drink to serve at your next gathering. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need sweet oranges, juicy apples, and strawberries bursting with flavor. These fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants that are great for your health. And don't forget a squeeze of fresh lemon. The lemon adds a zesty kick that really elevates the flavor of the juice. If you have a sweet tooth, you can also add a spoonful of honey. Honey not only sweetens the juice naturally, but also adds a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. Just look at these colorful fruits. Aren't they beautiful? The vibrant colors are a sign of the rich nutrients and flavors packed inside. All right, let's get chopping. Chop your fruits into small pieces. This will make it easier for the blender to process them, resulting in a smoother and quicker blend. It's a small step that makes a big difference in the texture of your juice. Now add the chopped fruits into your blender. Make sure to add them evenly so that the blender can work its magic efficiently. Pour in a little water or coconut water. This helps in blending the fruit smoothly and adds a bit of extra hydration to your juice. Then blend for about 30 seconds. You want to blend until the mixture is silky smooth and all the fruit pieces are fully incorporated. Look at that fresh, beautiful color. The vibrant hues are a testament to the freshness and quality of the ingredients. Isn't it amazing? The natural colors and flavors are just so inviting. Now pour your freshly blended juice into a big glass. There's something so satisfying about seeing that beautiful juice fill up the glass. It's fruity, refreshing, and naturally sweet. The perfect drink to quench your thirst and give you a boost of energy. Want to add a little twist to your juice? Try tossing in a few mint leaves or a slice of ginger next time. The mint adds a refreshing coolness while the ginger gives a warm, spicy kick. Trust me, you'll love it. These little additions can really elevate the flavor profile of your juice and make it even more enjoyable. There you go. America's favorite fruit juice made right in your own kitchen in minutes. It's a simple, delicious, and healthy way to enjoy the natural goodness of fresh fruits. Love this recipe? Smash that like button, comment your favorite fruit below, and subscribe for more amazing juice and coffee recipes every week. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more delicious and healthy recipes. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a sip. We've got a lot of exciting recipes and tips coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy juicing. Remember, the best way to start your day is with a glass of fresh homemade juice. Cheers!